Hi guys, today I want to show you this locomotive. It's a Proto 2000 GP60. What I have done, I have converted it to UP. Originally this was a cotton belt and was acquired by Union Pacific, and they did all the numbering stuff. So let me show you what I have done. So as you can see, I have cleaned the original numbering and put the yellow decal and the numbers and also the yellow line on the chassis. So this yellow line actually is not a paint, it's a tape. So what I do, because it was kind of hard to mask and paint that thin line there. And so what I do, I use masking tape like this, and I use this paint from Home Depot. It's called Golden Sunset. I stick the tape on this laminated board like that, and I paint the tape whatever color I want. So I have white, yellow, red here. Then I use a straight edge and a hobby knife, and I cut it to the thickness that I want. I see the street lines here. I've done the same way, so it works very well. And this yellow I used also for this street or the yard here, and also I have used it here. This is also very close to actual street line colors that you can see in the streets here. It's almost perfect match, the color. Okay. Alright. So yeah, this was the easiest way to do these lines here and all around. You can see the yellow. It came out really nice. So, and one day if I want, I can just peel it off. Alright, another thing I've done, I have installed these beacon lights here. These are kind of small, and I've installed that also the L bracket. I made it from styrene and painted it, ran the wires through, and glued it on the top. I have used 1mm LEDs inside this beacon here. I will turn it on for you so you can see. I've also installed these ditch lights. I painted them red. It's a SP red. And another thing I have done, the fans. These are Canon fans and grills. This grill is original grill, comes with the locomotive. I ran out of this grills, see-through metal etched grills. I can't find them anymore, so I used the original one. So these are Canon grills. So the center round piece, I cut it out of this original Proto 2000 grills. And this, so what I do, I cut the center out of the grills here. I pull this entire assembly out and I cut it out. Then I glue on this Canon grill, the metal etched grill. Then I glue on this center piece on the center of this grill, so it looks like the prototype grill. Yeah, this one, too bad I ran out of this Canon grills. Fans, you can't find them anymore. So I just, one day if I can find them, I'll change this so you can see the metal. I can almost see it here. And they actually turn. If I, so you can see they turn. Alright, and usually what I do when I buy something, I take it apart entirely and clean the gears and everything, oil them, the motor, everything. I clean them and put it back together. So, and the most important thing, I have installed sound on it. It's a Soundtrack's soundboard. Let me turn it on for you. So the number boards, I have installed separate lights on them that come on too, and also the number boards come on, and also can see the walkway light and the light here. You can see the truck light, and also in the back I have also installed the LEDs on the back here, you can see. And whoops. All right. So right now the sound volume is on 50 or 40 actually. It gets pretty loud. Let me put it on full volume. So right now it's on 40. So what I have done, I have hooked up the front light and the dish lights to accessory output, light output. It's called F24. Because the prototypes don't have directional lighting, so I hooked it up to and also the front light output on this decoder burned out. So I was forced to hook it up to the F24 so it stays on. I have to turn it off manually myself. So when it goes backwards, the front lights stay on, which is also prototypical. So this is one of the GP60s I have, and the other one I have, it's this one is a Fox Valley. That's the cab lights that come on. Okay. Then this one has a Attern beacon light on it. And I've also installed interior on this one. And also interior light, you can see. Let me see if I can show you the interior. So, and also I have installed the, let me see, you can see the tiny little truck light, and also the walkway light on this one too. Alright guys, that's it for now, and I'm working on some other projects, and as soon as I'm done I will post it on YouTube so you can watch. Alright, don't forget to subscribe please, and like, and until the next video, thanks for watching.